Hello. So I got a little package from the Etsy shop Sugar and Spikes by a fellow alternative YouTuber on here named Rainbow Goth, aka Rainbow Brandy on Instagram. I got some stuff from her Etsy shop, and I've actually been kind of like keeping an eye out since I saw that she has a shop so that I can like snag up something that like really speaks to me. And I finally saw this last thing and I was like, oh, okay, I want that. Yeah, so I'm gonna like put up all her links and stuff in the description. But yeah, the Etsy shop is called Sugar and Spikes XOXO, and it has like different like accessories that are gothy, but like pastel goth, I guess. Like they're a little bit more colorful than just like goth, but like alternative basically. Anyway, I actually got this box a couple days ago and I've been waiting to record this video for me to open it, so let's open it. It's really cute too. Look at this little box. Okay, so if I can figure out how to open this. Okay, oh, there's one more piece of tape. Ah, there we go. Okay. Oh my god, look at that cute little note. Wait, I love that. That's so cute. I love all these, like, I always keep these so that I can reuse them for like my packages and stuff. I love these like colorful papery thingies. But oh, look at this cute little note. Aw, with a little sticker. Thank you so much. I hope you love them. XO Brandy. Aw, that's cute. And this is like the receipt, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so I got a Ouija like planchette choker, and I got like kind of like matching earrings, I guess. All right. Ooh, oh, this is cool. Okay, all right, okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks so cute. So it's got like, I guess these are like extra spikes attached if like you lose them or something, so that's really cool. Let me start with the earrings because they're small. Let's do that first. This is what the earrings look like. They're tucked away, so cute. I love that. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I have to put these on. Ooh, oh, I like how light they are. They like weigh like almost nothing. I love that. If you saw my mini restyle haul recently, I got these fern earrings, and they're pretty heavy, so I feel like I wouldn't be able to wear them for very long. But yeah, let's try these on. Oh, so cute. Oh yeah, I'm wearing this funky hat today. I made it, I crocheted it. Do you like it? It's got an eyeball on it. This was my first ever bucket hat that I crocheted because, you know, they're like so popular now. I figured let me see what I can do. Planning on making more, but anyway, yeah. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're like the perfect size. They're like not too big and heavy, but they're like big enough to be noticed, you know? Wow, that's cute. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh my god. Alright. I love how this is packaged. I can't get over it. Cute little cupcake. Ooh. I also try to keep the bubble wrap too. Oh nice, look at that. The pendant is also wrapped. That's cool. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so these are like replacement little one of each color little spiky boy. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. this one? Yeah. Might be a little too tight, actually. Nah, let's do this. Oh my god. I freaking love that. Yeah, so this one's blue. The earrings are black, obviously. She had like different colors in there, but I just feel like these. There was the one that was like a glittery one I was considering getting, but then I was like, I feel like I'd probably like the like not glittery ones more. But yeah, this is super cute. Look, it's a shiny blue Ouija plant shit. Ah, so spooky. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. What a look. I gotta wear something blue with these. Oh my gosh, so cute. The cat's doing things over there. Alright, yeah, so this is what I got. I really like it. It's super cute. I know I've said that a bazillion times, but it is. Whenever in the future I'll probably dye my hair blue again at some point. That's gonna look cool with this. I gotta pick out a cute little outfit for this choker. Do a little matchy. I really like these little accessories, obviously, if you couldn't tell. If you want to get your own, check out her Etsy shop and also her YouTube channel. She's like really cool. I guess that's pretty much it. They're really cute. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm being a goof. This is like really long and my neck's pretty thin, so it is a little bit like this thing sticks out in the back. I might have to cut that, we'll see. But yeah. Alright, I'm just vibing. I'm just feeling myself at this point. That was it. I hope you liked this little super mini unboxing of the Sugar and Spikes shop, aka Rainbow Brandy, aka Rainbow Goth. It's actually really funny how I found her. I was considering like changing my channel name and I really liked Rainbow Goth, and I like looked up if someone already had that name, and they did, and it's another really awesome channel. So yeah, that's how I found her. Hope you liked this video. If you do, please leave it a like and comment if you think these are the cutest little accessories you have ever seen. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I also make art and I also do fashion, alt fashion stuff. So yeah.